Do you ever sit at the piano and want to create a deep cinematic mood? Maybe something like this? In this video I'll show you 4 simple tricks to create emotional piano improvisations using both hand arpeggios. So what can you do right now to sound more emotional? Here's a trick. Play arpeggios in both hands, but only change the chord in the left hand. Start with A minor in both hands. Keep the right hand exactly the same, but move the left hand down to F major. Suddenly everything shifts. The right hand didn't change, but emotionally it now sounds like F major 7. That's the magic. Same note in the right hand, but new context in the left hand. Try this next. Play G in both hands. Then move the left hand to C. Let's play it all together. You instantly get that cinematic lift. So the question is, this sounds good, but how do you avoid it becoming repetitive? What if you could make it richer without making it complicated? Here's the answer. Add extensions in your right hand. Take your A minor arpeggio and add the 4th note. This is the D. Now instead of placing it on top, move that note 1 octave lower. This voicing. Already more emotional weight. Now repeat the same idea. A left hand moves from A minor to F major. Next, play G in the right hand and add the 4th. This is C, but an octave lower. This voicing. Again, move the left hand from G to C. Now listen, it has much more character, right? So now we have 2 tools, clean arpeggios and extended arpeggios. Use both to shift mood while improvising. And if you are wondering how all these building blocks connect, here's a free guide in the description that breaks down the fundamentals of improvisation step by step. But now the next question. What if you want more intensity, more emotional urgency? Because even beautiful harmony can feel too calm. What if rhythm is a missing piece? Here's a trick. Play both hands at different speeds. Your right hand plays twice as fast as your left hand. Have a listen. Important, the pattern and notes stay the same. Only the speed changes. Once again. Now suddenly it feels more alive, more restless, more cinematic. You are not adding complexity, you are adding motion. Quick note, if this helps, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps more people learn to improvise in a structured musical way. But now you've built intensity. So how do you actually end your improvisation? A lot of improvisations just fade out. But cinematic playing needs a sense of arrival. Use a simple progression that naturally resolves. F, G, A minor, and then C, F, G, C. Let's put it all together. Using arpeggios, you feel how it pulls everything toward conclusion. Now here's something important. Did you notice your right hand was already creating a melody on top? That top note, often your pinky, is shaping the emotional story. So, the next question becomes, how do you create deep emotional melodies while improvising? Well, that's exactly what I'll show you in the next video.